It's fruit salad time, and the Zebbies are the first to approach. Beverly there, nom 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 nom. Or maybe not. Oh, she likes the apple by the looks of it, and so does Jojo. Naturally, Jojo thinks this belongs completely to him. My apple. But Beverly got the apple in the end. I love how every new thing belongs to Jojo. This whole platter belongs to Jojo as far as he's concerned. Nibbling on the apple. Who knows who will next come to have a look at it. Oh, what have we got here? Toby. Toby was down there somewhere. Toby's considering it. The diamond doves, they're not impressed. Yep, Toby's eating there. And that is Flo. These are the two ladies here trying to get some food. Jojo alarming because he believes that it's his. But that won't put them off. They will, now they know it's there. In the other side, we've got some more fruit salad down here, a bit larger here, and the butchers are considering it. See, they're looking. They're not sure. They're not sure. The quail have generally left it alone, which is probably quite good because I'm not sure quail should really be eating fruit like that. Look at him. He just couldn't help himself. Little Boom. And now Bonnie as well. Oh, what have we got here? Oh! And once again, the birds have gone for the apples. There's a whole array of food down there. It's an essential part of their diet. But I do give it quite sparingly because, as you can see, they sort of peck and they don't actually eat a lot of it at all. Egg food I consider more essential than fruit, to be totally honest. So fruit and veg I put down. Something every other day. Fruit I generally keep to the weekend, and egg food, well, whenever I feel like it, as often as I have eggs that I need to use up, which is weekly. They get it all the time. And of course they've got their normal seed as well. And the girls are back on the platter here. And now Beverly there is trying watermelon. Not so sure about that. Oh! There's great fighting over the apple. Great fighting over the apple. But we do have other things there. Yep, Toby is just about to dig into some pineapple there. We also have kiwi. We have strawberries. We have blackberries. And we have melon. As well as watermelon. There's grapes as well. So there's a whole host of things, and yes, the others, the new guys are all in here eating seeds. I don't think they yet feel able to pop down and eat. There we are, Susie and Sergio, somewhere in the corner there. Hopefully they will, because these birds will eventually tire of eating this, and then it will be available for those who are not quite so... good heavens, the budgies are going mad down there. It's not a brilliant angle, is it? I wonder if I can get a better angle without sort of disturbing them. There we go. And it's generally the pineapple and the apples that are going best. And the quail are interested now, but they'll hold their ground. I think they'll stay away. Lima's too busy stripping bark. Lima has done all of this in the past week or so. That's incredible. I think Jens and Joshua looks a bit cold to me. I'm just keeping an eye on him. That's a bit fluffed up for him. But it is quite cold. Oh look, the lovebirds. The lovebirds. Jeremiah there has looked and seen. And there, the budgies are chasing the quail away from the fruit. I don't think that was Diego's... I don't think Diego wants the fruit anyway, see? Walked straight past it. So I wonder if the lovebird will pop down and have something as well. Hopefully. All three canaries now are down. There's Louis as well. Goodness knows what Louis is eating. Something or other. Whatever it is, Jojo wanted it. So, it all seems to be going quite well. Apart from the diamond doves who are just not very impressed there. Peace and love.